What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk to you guys about multi-streaming, because multi-streaming is becoming the new norm for pretty much everyone who's trying to become a streamer. It really makes no sense to lock yourself down on a specific platform, whether it be Twitch, YouTube, Kick, or TikTok. There's no reason why you shouldn't want to put your content out in front of as many audiences as possible. Now, there's a lot of options out there that are pretty hefty in terms of price point. You have to pay a lot of money, yearly subscriptions and things like that, to stream to all of these platforms. However, there are a few options that allow you to do it for free, and I'm going to talk to you guys today about the best one. I've gone through all of them, I've tested them all out myself, and the one that I'm currently using is definitely the best, and it's 100% free. But real quick, before we dive in, if you guys are looking for graphics or anything like that for your stream, whether it be emotes, camera borders, any kind of alerts, things like that, let's give a shout out and thank you to our sponsor for today's video, Own.tv. Own.tv is your one-stop shop for fresh new graphics for your stream. Whether you're on Twitch, YouTube, or Kick, you'll find something that's a perfect fit for your channel. They offer full themed overlay packages, which are great if you're trying to give your stream a complete makeover, but let's say you're looking to pick up some new alert graphics, don't worry, because they've got you covered there too. You could find single graphics such as alerts, emotes, banners, panels, and logos as well. And one of the best parts about these overlays is that they are completely modular. So if you and your friends all pick up the same overlay, such as this Rodan one right here, you could change the colors and tweak it to match your brand, and none of you will have the exact same overlay. If you're looking to take your stream to the next level, be sure to check out Own.tv using my link below to support the channel. And don't forget, use code HAMMER at checkout for an additional 50% off your order. Now, back to the video. Alright guys, so it's time to dive in and figure out how we're going to get you multi-streaming. Now, what you're going to be doing is using this plugin right here. This is how simple it actually is. I have my main YouTube channel here. You can add a second or third YouTube channel if you have those, which I will be doing soon. I have my Kick channel here and then my Twitch channel right at the top here. Now, I'm going to show you guys real quick how to install this. Okay, so the first step is you're going to open up your browser and we're going to go to atim.tv. I'm going to have a link to that down in the description below. Up at the top left-hand corner here, you're going to click on products, and then we're going to get down to multi-stream. Click on that, and that's going to bring you to this page. This page is going to allow you to download the plugin. You're going to come right over here to this yellow button that says download multi-stream for free. It's 100% free, but feel free to support these guys if you like their work. This is absolutely amazing. The fact that they put this out for free for everyone to use is fantastic, because like I said earlier, these services, when paying for a subscription that allows you to multi-stream, can be pretty pricey. So click on that button, and once you've downloaded it, run your installer and install it to the default location. Now, once you guys have it installed, you're going to pull it up from Docs. You can hit your Docs button at the top of OBS, and you're going to find it right here. It's going to be ATEM Multi-Stream. You're going to click on that, and it's going to pop out this window for you. I like to keep it in my other windows. This is how I kind of track my Twitch activity. I can update my stream title and everything from OBS in this doc, and then I will have it right here when I want to multi-stream to other outputs. So you're going to have it right here. All you're really going to see is your main canvas. So what you're going to do to start adding those other outputs is you're going to click on the gear or the cog sign down here, and what you're going to do in the main canvas section is you're going to click add output. Now, in this section right here, this is pretty self-explanatory. You're going to select Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Trovo, Twitter, Kick, or some other streaming service. For the purposes of this video, we're going to select YouTube. Now, what you're going to do at the top here, you can name it. Like I said, if you have multiple YouTube channels that you want to be able to stream to at different times, you can put in the name there. Select the primary YouTube ingest server, and then you're going to put in your YouTube stream key right here, and then just click Create Output. Then you're going to see it pop up right here, just like I have main YouTube, my Hammer Dance YouTube channel. You're going to be able to click on advanced settings here and kind of fine tune things if you want it to be different than your main output. So for me, my main output is always going to be my Twitch, and then other outputs would be my YouTube or my Kick. So let's say I don't want OBS to use the same settings that I use for Kick on my YouTube channel. You can kind of change that right here. Let's say I want to use my H.264 encoder. If you want to scroll down, you have all the options. It can be completely separate. So YouTube takes a higher bit rate than Twitch, right? So if I wanted my stream to be 16,000 I can do that right here at my, add your bit rate completely separate. And then when you hit OK, it'll save that for that specific output. So your normal settings within OBS for your Twitch will be normal. Mine is 8,000 bitrate. And then your YouTube one will be 16,000 bitrate. So you can kind of fine tune them to be different from one another, which is really nice because most of the time it's going to just pull what you're using for your main stream, right? So like I said before, for anyone who's confused, most of the other software out there, you have to be live on your main stream first, whatever your OBS is set up to, which for me is Twitch, and then you can go live on the YouTube by clicking this button right here, or Kick, we click this button right here. But YouTube does accept higher bit rates for your live streams. So if you want your YouTube to have a 16,000 bit rate instead of the 8,000 that I'm using on Twitch, you can do that. And it's really, really useful. And I really like that feature because it's the first one that I found that actually allows you to do that. This is the first plugin for OBS that I've found that allows you to do that smoothly, right? Without doing some weird stuff and kind of making it a little janky. It runs perfectly. So then let's say you have that all set up and you want to go live on these platforms. You would hit your start streaming button down here in the bottom right, like normal. You would go live on Twitch, and then you would come right up to here and click the green streaming button next to the YouTube output that you created there, or the button next to the Kick output that you created. And boom, your stream is now live on multiple channels, which is absolutely awesome. I really, really like this plugin for OBS. I think it's perfect. It looks nice. It fits the theme of OBS. It looks like it's just built into the program. So this is absolutely amazing. And I just wanted to share this with you guys. I know a lot of you after the holidays are probably trying to pick up streaming and doing stuff like that. And I've been getting a lot of questions lately on how to multi-stream. How do I do it? People are looking at a bunch of options saying it's really expensive, but you don't have to spend any money. You can do it completely free, and ATEM multi-stream is definitely top tier for something like this. So that's it, guys. I really hope that I was able to help you out. I hope you're able to go multi-stream on as many platforms as you want now and start growing those audiences on every single platform, because like I said earlier, there's no reason to locking yourself to just one. So if this video was helpful in any way at all, drop a like, drop some comments down below if you have any questions for me, and definitely go follow me over on Twitch, twitch.tv/hammerdance. I stream Monday through Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. There's a link to that in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. But anyways, guys, I want you to keep those hammers up, and I'll see you next time.